Guys, today we are going to learn how to make okpa. I know a lot of you want this video, so here it is. So I bought this okpa flour. I bought it, and if you want the handle of the lady who sold it to me, I can also send you her number. It has already been grounded, which is very nice, so you don't have to worry yourself. So I bought this for 15 euros and I have used it twice. So this is what we are going to be using today. The okpa is already clean, is washed, is grounded, is everything. There's nothing to do. You don't need to filter, you don't need to shifter it, you don't need to do anything. This is just the way it comes. So you'll be needing warm water that is warm, not hot. So that is my warm water. And you're going to be needing something like this, a pot or a bowl that is not plastic. I don't advise that you use plastic so that it doesn't color your plastic. So this is my finely chopped pepper. So this is what I need. If you are making more, you can add more pepper. You need your salt and then crayfish. And I have some dry fish. These two things, onion and fish, is optional. My husband just requested for it, but you don't need it if you don't have. So, and then you need your palm oil. You practically need only palm oil, salt, and pepper to prepare this. So you're going to pour your warm water into your pot or your bowl. Make sure it's something that your hand can dip into and without paining you. So you're going to add your oil inside the warm water. You are going to add your oil inside the warm water to allow for easy mix. Then you're going to add your okpa flour or powder inside the mixture of your oil and warm water. Warm water will help you to mix the oil and the okpa very well. So guys, you can see that I am wearing hand glove. Please wear hand glove. Wear hand glove because the oil can stay in your nails. Okay, so this is where the work of the okpa is. This is the major work, breaking it. It's not as if that is hard, but you have to really mix it in a way that you will not see any lumps, clumps inside the okpa. So this is where the whole work is. The other ones are not work. You have to break everything. And if in case you are not able to break it, I had patience. At a time, I took some break and went to rest and continue. It's not as if it's hard, but it took me about 30 minutes to be able to break this okpa, to break the powder so that it will it will form this fine, it will be very fine. I don't want to see any clumps inside. And guys, you have to also add water from time to time. So I have broken all the whole thing. You can see the way it's looking very smooth. Now, once you get this consistency, you can start adding all your ingredients. Guys, okpa is very strong after making it. So make sure you add enough water, not that it's too watery, not that it's too hard, so that you get a texture that is very good to eat. Now you're going to add all of your ingredients. Okay, the only thing I don't advise that you add in between is oil. Okay, make sure you add a lot of add your oil with that warm water so that you are able to mix it properly. Okay, and make sure that it's not too watery and it's not hard. It's not too watery, it's not hard. If you are looking at this video, you will see how I made this and how the texture is. Then if you don't have nylon, you can use your moi plate. I used to use my moi plate, but my husband said that he wanted nylon today, which I did not even buy the idea. Okay, I'm trying to stop using nylon. Then you're going to scoop and tie and just add it into your boiling water, and then you cook for at least 1 hour, and there you have your okpa. And it is very fluffy, very delicious, and it is just perfect for you. So I hope that this video is very helpful. Do not forget to share, do not forget to like, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Let me go and enjoy more okpa, okay? Thank you so much, guys, and see you next time. Bye.